How to change your birthday on Roblox. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can actually change your birthday on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change your birthday on Roblox, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Roblox app, or you can also simply log in from your browser. So open up your browser and then just go to www.roblox.com and then make sure that you're signed into the account. Then you want to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you want to simply go to settings, and then once you go to settings, you right here you're under account info, so make sure that you're under the account information tab. Once you do that, right over here you'll be able to see the option called date of birth. So all you need to do is simply select the date of birth that you wish. Now remember that there are restrictions to changing your date of birth. Once you change it now, it could be difficult to change later on. So then later on they might ask you to verify your age, which means you have to upload a legal document in order to able to change your birthday or your age on Roblox. But to give you a basic idea, this is it on how you can change your birthday on Roblox. Hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.